Welcome to ChopChopChef. Today I like to do with you a chestnut puree. Chestnut puree. So we need, for this one we need peeled chestnuts obviously. This chestnut I roasted and peeled them nicely. But yes, you can cook them as well in water. But this one, when they are roasted, the flavors and everything stays in it, so they're much more intense. Now for our puree, so we need a small pot. We put milk in the pot, bring this to boil. Okay, so we bring this milk to the boiling point, right? And while this getting there, we're putting 1 spoon of sugar in there. Yeah, a good spoon of fresh butter. And I put a little bit vanilla aroma there, but of course, if you like, you can put a nice fresh vanilla bean in there, yeah, and cut them open and put the nice seeds from the vanilla pot in there. Okay, now while this comes to a boil, it's nearly there. We already can put the roasted chestnut gentle in here in the liquid. Yeah, and you only want enough milk so that the chestnuts are covered, like that. It's just perfect. Now this one, when it is simmering, we give this 20 minutes and then we blend it. Alright, our chestnuts stay simmering nicely in our milk now for 20 minutes. Yeah, so I have the milk, the butter, the sugar, okay, fresh vanilla pot if you have. I use a little bit vanilla aroma, and halfway through it I grinded just 2 or 3 things of orange zest in there. Alright, now we're turning off our heat source. And what we're doing now is we want to blend the chestnuts. What I do now is we're taking out the chestnut, putting them in a nice measuring cup or any other things. Why I don't want to blend it in the pot is, in case you have too much liquid in it, obviously then it gets too runny. I want to achieve a nice puree consistency. Yeah, and that's why I just add the liquid as I need it. Okay, we got this one sorted. Yeah, yes, we can put already probably 2 ladles full of this mini ladles in there, because we need what sort of liquid. I have my hand blender, but you can use as well a kitchen blender. Yeah. Okay, we need more liquid. Let's see, we put a little bit more in. Not too hot now. Good. Consistency comes nice already. A little bit more. I want just to have it nice, spreadable. Of course, if you are lactose intolerant, you keep the milk away and you can do the same process with just simple water. Okay, now let's have a look. Let's have a look at this consistency here. I just put a little bit here on my plate here. So let me do this one, like this, like this, like this, like that. Okay. So now this is beautiful spreadable consistency. Yeah. And now this chestnut puree, I mean, you can use for many things, for cookies, for ice creams, for sorbets, for smoothies. Excuse me, for smoothies, you know, a little bit as a snack. So nice, beautiful. I just have it like that, hey? Okay, thank you very much for joining me on ChopChopChef. Chestnut puree, so nice. Till next time.